We're following the breaking news out of Haiti. The largest, most powerful earthquake in the region's history has crippled the country.
As many as 200,000 people.
200,000 people are now dead after that earthquake.
We will do what it takes to save lives and to help them get back on their feet.
Haitians who are here in the U.S. and who were here when the earthquake hit are now being allowed to remain.
Haitians are our neighbors in the Americas.
They can stay and they can work in the U.S. without fear of being deported back to a disaster area.
Temporary protected status, that's something the government does as a matter of routine for immigrants who cannot go home because of natural disasters or other dangers, and who in the world could make somebody go home to Haiti at this moment.
My name is Jimmy Jean-Louis.
My name is Jessie Wu.
Chef Manishka Guerrier.
My name is Jean-Elie.
My name is Captain Jean.
My name is Lady Tigra.
Shion McKinney.
My name is Simone Leonora.
Mike Goyo.
Malikis.
Kelly Jen Red.
My name is Ruben Paul.
Hess Wesley.
Martine Harris.
I'm Haitian American, and I stand with Haitian TPS holders.
Haitian TPS holders are our teachers.
They are our neighbors, our doctors,
caretakers, taxi drivers,
our electricians,
farm workers, cooks, chefs, hardworking taxpayers,
janitors, warehouse workers. These people work very hard
and contribute deeply to this country.
And more importantly, they're good people just like you and me. They deserve protection and safety from deportation and family separation.
Today, over 1.4 million people in Haiti are displaced, facing dire conditions due to the political turmoil, gang violence, famine, and foreign policies.
This is not just a political issue. It's a human issue.
So regardless of your stance, imagine being forced to return to a country where safety is a distant memory and survival is uncertain.
I beg you.
Please, extend and redesignate Haiti for TPS.
Let them stay.
I am Haitian American and I stand with Haitian immigrants.
I stand with Haitian immigrants.
I am Haitian American and I stand with Haitian TPS holders.
Stand with Haitian TPS holders.
God bless.
So how can you help? You can either sign a petition and have your voice heard, share this video, or make your own video simply saying, I support TPS for Haitians. Thank you.